Okay, so what we're doing today, and I will have this up on Schoology because it is kind of hard to see because this wonderful thing right here, and it's kind of, it's small, I get it. So you're going to create a summary of the 2 videos of your pen pals. Now, for those of you who had 2 different pen pals, I'll get to that in a minute. But what you're doing is you're taking a half sheet of paper and you're going to number it 1 to 8 on the front. Flip it over, number 1 to 8 on the back. On the front are going to be your answers to all 8 of these questions. What's their name? What block do they have me? So what block do they have ASL? Most of them are in first block. The question in the video 2 said who was their favorite teacher and why. So you need to just tell who their favorite teacher was and why they put that down, or why their favorite. The biggest one, can you understand them? Yes, I can understand them, or no, I can't understand them. Now, no matter if it's a yes or no, you have to answer it a specific way. I knew the answer blank question, okay? So, yes, I understood my pen pal. You're going to sign friend for pen pal. Yes, I understood my pen pal. I understood her, or if it's his, her answer to whatever question. If it was the favorite food question, or if it was the favorite dessert question, favorite restaurant, whichever question it was, you draw a question mark. That's what you're going to sign. If you didn't understand them, no, I did not understand my pen pal. I needed to ask help. Who did you ask for help? Did you ask for HK? Did you ask for your partner? Who did you ask for help? And then what question was it to get the answer for? Okay, so I did not understand my pen pal's answer to their favorite class at Ross High School. I needed to ask HK. I needed to ask my friend Hope, whoever it ends up being. So it's one of those 2. What was one thing you liked about them? Did you like their facial expressions? Did you like that they nodded, they had their eye contact? That would all be facial expressions. Do you also like the same holiday, same ice cream flavor? What is one thing that you liked about them? You like the way that they signed, whatever it may end up being. Then for numbers 6, 7, and 8 on your paper are going to be these 3. This is where those people who have 2 pen pals need to pay attention. You're going to do this in listing form if you have the same pen pal for both videos. So it would be their favorite class, and you would put it down. Their favorite holiday, and you'd sign that one. And then you would also sign their favorite color. So you have to set up what each one is. So their favorite class at Ross High School, their favorite holiday, and their favorite color. If it's the same pen pal, you can do this listing. If it's not, if you have 2 different videos, these 2, the classes at Ross High School and the colors, I believe are both from video 1, where this is from video 2. So if you have, let's say you had one pen pal video 1 and a different one. So my pen pal Veronica likes class at RHS, and then favorite color. My pen pal Zake's favorite holiday, and you go from there. So you have to list both those pen pals. This isn't for all of you. This is for somebody, and it may not be any of you in your particular block. It just depends. A couple classes we had to have some repeats. Once you have all 8 of these written down on your paper, you're going to look to your partner next to you. And as long as you and your partner don't have the same pen pal, you flip the paper over and then you sign to one another your answers. So if I'm signing my pen pal, they're going to sign to me their pen pal's name. And I'm going to write their name down on my paper. Number 2, block they have with HK. Do they have first block, fourth block, second block, whatever block that they have in that video? Who's their favorite teacher? They sign who their favorite teacher was. I write it down. I'm going to write all the answers down, and then I'm going to put my partner's name at the bottom of the paper. Then I'm going to flip, and I'm going to assign my answers to my partner. So my pen pal's name. They would write that down. Okay? They would write that down and go through the whole list. Once you're finished with that, and they've written my name on their paper, Once we finish with that, I can then sign all of my answers. And this is where the summary comes into it. You're going to sign it in a summary form. You're not going to sign number 1, name of my pen pal, blah, blah, blah. No, you're going to sign my pen pal's name, da, 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 da. They have, and you're going to go through the entire thing in complete sentences without numbering. Once you've done that, you need to rename it, and you need to rename it pen pal summary, your last name. Now, here's where we see who's followed directions correctly. You're going to hang onto your paper till tomorrow. And the biggest thing that you need to know is you need to record through Schoology. Videos that are not being recorded through Schoology, I cannot see. Okay, it takes me like 7 steps to get to. I can eventually see them, but right away I can't. So I'm asking if you can record through Schoology and go through that. So you're going to record your whole story. You're going to keep your paper until tomorrow. And then you're going to rename your video pen pal summary, your last name. Turn it into the assignment that says pen pal summary. Then when you're done with that, there should be a 5 to 3 mixed review document in there. You are going to take that document and you're going to take all 5 of those sentences, translate them into ASL, and be ready to sign them for tomorrow. Once you're done with that, work on your song. That's what we're doing for the day. So you have your pen pal summary, write all the answers down, collect all the answers. You should be able to find them in the 2 videos. Go to your partner, sign it to your partner, have your partner sign it to you, sign it to the computers, send it to the pen pal summary assignment. Look at the 5 to 3 sentences. They have to be memorized by tomorrow in ASL format. I'll put the English up here tomorrow for you to see, but it's got to be a quick transition between each number 1 through 5. And then that's not your bell. Tomorrow I will sign 3 sentences that we'll put at the bottom of the paper that you just worked on with your partner's answers and your answers. That's why I said keep that paper till tomorrow. And the remaining of the class you should work on your song. I'm going to put that all up on the board so you can see what the assignment should be, and that is that. Be good.